Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is my first video regarding the review of Boat Stone Grenade speaker. So let's start with unboxing. So as you can see that I have ordered this product from Flipkart, and I have ordered it in the big sale days, so that's why I got a big discount on it. So I got this project in 999 rupees. So as you can see, I already opened this box, because as you know that whenever we received any electric item, so we have to check it instantly. So that's why I opened this item. So let me show you what other things I have got with this product. So ये है वो Boat Stone Grenade. So as you can see, I got a box of Boat Stone Grenade. I kept it here. So it is sealed from here also, and it is sealed from here also. Okay. So let me show you the product. Yeah. So you can see this is the speaker, Boat Stone Grenade. As you can see, with this speaker we got some other things also. This is the lead, and this is another USB cable for charging, and this is the user manual. This is the another card of boat, and this is the warranty card. So we got 1 year warranty card with this product. Okay. So as you can see, as per the specification mentioned in this user manual, let me show you. So this is the list of the item that you will get with this product, like user manual, micro USB cable, audio cable, catalog and warranty card. And let me show you the specification of this product. Like whatever the specification is that, like Bluetooth version, this one, output power 5 watt, means this speaker is 5 watt power. Battery specification is this. Speaker unit is this. Frequency, weight and size, and you can read out by pausing the video this specification. So yeah, as I told you earlier that I got this product in 999 rupees. So its original price is like more than 300 or 3000 or 4000, but in discount I got this product in 999 rupees. Normally also you got this product on Flipkart or Amazon like in 1500, but in the big sale days, so you will get more discount on it. So as you can see, it is like quite friendly. You can also travel with this product, because you can also keep this product in your bag without any issue. And it's also mentioned that it is waterproof. So I also tested this waterproof thing, and it is worked very fine. So there is no harm with water. So like if in some rainy day you want to use it, so you will not face any issue. So this is the product specification. Now let me show you how to check its sound. So let me show you the sound. Yeah, so to connect with the sound, we have to first make it on by pressing this button.
Power on. You've plugged into Nirvana. Your device is ready to pair.
Now I will connect it with the Bluetooth of my phone. So I am connecting it to my phone. You will get the device name as Boat Stone Grenade when you will connect with it.
You're now connected to Boatstone Grenade.
Now the device is connected. Now I will show you how to by playing one song, so you can get the idea of